So let's get started with my entryway. So I just did something very simple, and I like decor that is a little more, I would say, kind of tasteful or toned down. I don't really get into all the blood and guts and gore, but I wanted to just have a little nod to Halloween. So what I did in my entryway is I already have this little travertine table, and cheesecloth is an instant Halloween maker. It's very inexpensive and it just kind of packs a big punch. So the one I got that I'm linking for you here, it came with I want to say 4 pieces, and you got black and you also got this creamy white. And I just love to layer it on a table. It creates great texture and kind of a nice backdrop for your Halloween decor. So then I found a kind of these cardboard light up houses. I got 2 of them. So here's one right here that I'm holding. You just put batteries in there and then they light up. So you're seeing in my entryway the one that it's a little bit taller and it's got some orange, and it's just fun, especially at night when it's dark and then you turn the little light on and it lights up. It looks really nice there. So I already had some kind of coffee table books there in the entryway, so I just propped the little cardboard house on top for a little bit of height. I had the art back there and it was already black, so it kind of tied in perfectly. And then what else did I put there? Or is that everything on
I think so.
Little table? Okay, so then moving into the dining room, I love to create a holiday tablescape. I love decorating my table for all different seasons. And this is the first year that I did a dining room table. So I started with the black cheesecloth that I layered across the table, so it kind of created that texture. And then to layer it, I found this really cool table runner, and it's kind of minimal, kind of modern. It just has a creamy background with black designs on it. So I layered that. We've got this layered look, and then I simply started to put in my table settings. So I used these full leather round placemats, obviously from Amazon, and they're really nice quality. So I got these in black, which made the white plates just pop. And what I like about these white plates is they're so simple, so minimal, so modern, and they go with everything year round. So I've used these at birthday parties, I've used them for Easter, for Valentine's Day. We'll use them for Thanksgiving and for Christmas coming up. But here, what I did to make it a little bit more Halloweenish is I used my rust colored napkins, and these are great for fall and Thanksgiving as well. And then we made it a little bit glam with the hammered gold napkin rings. So these are beautiful, but I thought they kind of make a nice little Halloween touch because you have kind of the orange, the white, the black all going together. I will have to say one of my favorite additions to this table are the wine glasses. And I really wasn't thinking of Halloween when I got them, but I think they look so beautiful on the table. So these come in a set of 6, and you get a whole color range. They're crystal. They're beautiful. And I've seen them on other retailers for so much more expensive, but they're really quite inexpensive and a really good deal and good value on Amazon. So we will use these throughout the whole year, but they look particularly pretty on the Halloween table. And then to tie in with that hammered gold napkin ring, I used the gold flatware. Again, this is something you can use year round. So it just kind of adds a little bit of that metallic sheen and a little bit of elegance to your table. But kind of the star of the show, I thought this year, is this little candelabra. So this one, I saw it in different sizes. I got the one with 4 candle holders here. And then I got these black candles. So you're seeing on the table sort of the amber colored and the more gold. That's what I had at the time because these hadn't yet arrived. But these are awesome. They are faux candles. So you just put batteries in them and then you twist the bottom. And then you can see how they light up like so. So they're like a real wax feel, which I think are so nice. They look very realistic as far as the actual pillar of the candle goes. and just so fun. Oh, we do have them shown on the table. Okay, so in my photos, I just had my like amber and gold ones, but we've got, okay, yeah, you see them both there. But aren't these fun, like black candles for Halloween? I thought those were just really cool. So that is the dining table. I'm so happy with how that came out. I think it was like very elegant, but still with a nod to Halloween and fun for the kids. But then upstairs is probably, oh, I forgot almost before I move upstairs. Let me share with you this olive tree that it was such a good, like surprising find. It has black branches and black olives. So I thought that was perfect for holiday decor. And it also kind of draws your eye up. It gives you something with texture and kind of like this asymmetric movement, so it can look really beautiful in your Halloween decor. Or if you just like black accents, it's a really like kind of fun piece. It comes in just a plastic bucket, so I would recommend repotting it into something a little more pretty or decorative, but I thought that was a really cool piece. Okay, so then in the mantle, you're gonna see some more fall styling here. What I have here are these two rattan pumpkins that are so beautiful. I've actually had those for years, and they're a really actually nice weight and really well done, the way that they have this beautiful texture, and you get both of them when you purchase them. Like I said, you can shop from everything down below in the carousel. And I found this garland that's kind of got like dried leaves and pine cones. I don't think I got it on Amazon, or if I did, I couldn't find the exact link, so I just put something similar there, and I put two to make it more full. So I think this looks great on a mantle. You can put it on your stairs. You can put it in a table for fall or for Thanksgiving. It just looks so beautiful. And then I added the little twinkle lights and the faux votive candles. So the votive candles are great. You just turn the switch on. You don't have to put batteries in them. They're already come with the batteries already pre-installed. So you don't have to worry about them melting. You can reuse them for a super long time, and they look pretty realistic, like with that warm glow. I just think it's so pretty. And obviously you could put them in a little votive holder if you want, or you can just leave them out like so. Okay, now let's move on to, we're going up the stairs in my home, and we have this little landing before you get to the bedrooms and laundry room and my office. So what I have here is already this beautiful black dresser, and I thought this would be a perfect place for a Halloween moment. And because we have these tall ceilings, what better place than to put those little faux bats? And my daughter had a lot of fun helping me with this. We just got the ladder out and we just started placing them in kind of like this like swish motion, so it would almost look like they're kind of flying off to the ceiling. Those bats are really cute. I've ordered the bat decor in the past and they've been like a matte paper, but these are like a shiny paper, so you really get that kind of like pop. And then they're three-dimensional, so it comes with the little dots, and you just place them kind of, you know, sporadically, and they're just such a fun statement. When you come upstairs and you see that, it like really is very beautiful. So also I have this big branches that I got, and these are really cool because they bend. So you get a whole little pack of them. I just plopped them in a vase here, and then they give you kind of that height, that texture, that dimension that is so beautiful. And then I got these little crows, and these are cool too. They're kind of like, the feathers look almost real. I put these downstairs in my entryway, and then I have them on the branches here in this little vignette. Let me see if I can get this guy to stay. Okay. Okay, good. And then upstairs is where I have this little sign, this light up sign here. So this one is really pretty, and it kind of fills out this whole set. So then I just put a cloche with some matches and a candle. I already had the stack of books and the lamp. The lamp is actually also from Amazon as well. So it provides a nice ambiance at night. And then, you know, the mirror is obviously a great statement too. Okay, then we're moving on. I have some more fall decor in these pumpkins, which obviously for fall, you cannot go wrong with Halloween decor. Tell me in the chat, when do you start decorating for the holidays? I meant to say these are great for they're Halloween, but also for fall. So I know a lot of people, like when I was growing up, it was tradition to not put up the Christmas tree until the day after Thanksgiving. But here in my home, I'm counting that a days because November 1st is when we pull out the holiday decor, and I do not apologize for it. I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to do holiday decorating, which I will share all of that with you. A lot of my holiday decor is from Amazon, but we are still enjoying the pumpkin decor. So these are really cute, and they just add some texture and some fun little, you know, pops of color throughout the house. Okay, let me show you my little fall wreath. This is in our front door. I keep the front porch decor very minimal. In the past, what I've done is just gotten a ton of different colored pumpkins and adorned it with the door. This year, my daughter and I carved jack-o'-lanterns, but they already bit the dust, like they already melted and I had to toss them, but the little wreath is doing beautiful. It's like this mix of fall colors, and then it has like a subtle hint of blue with the eucalyptus, which I think looks really nice with our door because our front door is like a light blue color. It's Sherwin-Williams Comfort Gray, I believe, if you're looking for the door color. And then I have this darling little pillow. This does adorn our little chair in the patio. So this one says, "Hey Pumpkin," and it's super cute with the cursive lettering, and then it's a plaid background, and it's also plaid on the back, so it's reversible if you were to flip it around. Oh, and then our little pumpkin. So I have the sweetest, not pumpkin, ghost. His name is Gerald, by the way. My daughter named him Gerald. So my sweet neighbor came up with this, you know, easy decor hack. All you do is get a tall pumpkin cage, and then you put a faux pumpkin on top, one that you can pierce the, you know, pierce the little points of the tomato cage with. So you set the head there, you get an old sheet and just drape it, and you also bend the arms of the tomato cage so it kind of looks like arms for the ghost. And then my daughter just cut out these little vinyl pieces for the eyes and the little nose, and it was on like sticky paper, so we put that there, and now we have like Gerald the friendly ghost in the front yard.
I don't know, I think this video is really scary because it's rare to see ghosts caught on film.
That's awesome. Okay, let me share the little hat. Did you put that in our carousel?
Oh, I did put it on the carousel, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, we have to see it. We have to put it on.
Here is my little witch hat, and this is fun because it's wired, so you can kind of bend it and shape it how you want. It has a little rhinestone buckle, if you can see there. So cute, so pointy. And then it also came with these long gloves, and then it came with bat earrings and a little mesh choker with a bat on it as well. So this is like instant costume for me, if you will. I think